Predict how your products will perform by emulating real-world scenarios with finite element analysis through desktop and cloud-based simulation tools. SOLIDWORKS Simulation Standard is an entry-level desktop solution that allows you to analyse stresses and product performance through straightforward finite element analysis, helping you reduce your reliance on physical prototypes, avoid costly mistakes, and build trust between you and your customers. SOLIDWORKS simulation packages integrate directly into the SOLIDWORKS interface, meaning there is no disconnected data and significantly reduces the learning curve. This rally bracket is under static loading. The standard simulation package enables the evaluation of load paths, stresses, displacement, and factor of safety results, while connector forces can be examined to establish their suitability. As design changes are implemented, results can be delivered rapidly, without having to re-import from another tool, and different design and variations can be queued for analysis. Evaluate the lifespan of your product with fatigue analysis in SOLIDWORKS Simulation Standard, capitalising on results from previous static studies to help avoid unwanted surprises. SOLIDWORKS Simulation Standard also assists designs through kinematic motion analysis of assemblies, harnessing the industry-leading ADAM solvers to enable you to investigate part interactions, calculate motor sizings, and measure resultant forces with ease. Get the information you need about your products to make informed design decisions, avoid over-engineering, and reduce development costs with SOLIDWORKS Simulation. Engineers trust SOLIDWORKS to validate and inform their design decisions, and as part of the TriMet Group, we support them through their product development journey. Discover how SOLIDWORKS Simulation enables you to maximise your product potential in demonstrations around our website, or book your own private demonstration or simulation review to discover how we can help you reduce costs and enhance your efficiency.